Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my glasses on my head because we are doing a back to school video. I bought some stuff from Target and I'm gonna be trying them on and letting you guys know if Target has cute school clothes or not. I bought only a few things, but to be honest, they have the cutest fall selection. So if you guys are looking for back to school clothes and you're on a budget, then definitely check Target out because I'm telling you, like, they have stepped up their game, like, big time. So I'm really excited to try these pieces on. So I'll show you them and then I'll show you a try on portion and let you guys know what I think about the quality of the clothes and if it's worth it. Okay, so the first piece is definitely something I would wear every single day in high school, and I was obsessed with being like lazy and comfy all day long because nobody has time for that, okay? Like the first day you dress up and then the rest of the days you relax. So the first thing I have is this sweatshirt. It has like this little ring detail up here, which I am obsessed with. Like, I think this is the cutest thing ever. I don't know, it's a zipper, like, I don't know, but it looks like this. It starts off with a kind of bright orangey shade. It goes to white and then red. So you're gonna kind of look like a popsicle, but a cute popsicle. So let's just go try this on. Oh my God, I am obsessed with this. This is so cute. I literally look like a popsicle right now and I'm living for it. This is so cute and it is so warm and comfy. And I'm telling you, this zipper detailing, like, I don't know what it is, but I love it. So yeah, this is really cute and really comfy. And I definitely recommend this. Like, if I was in school, I would wear this all day. Next thing from Target, I have this cute little skirt. Oh my God, this is like the cutest thing. They have like a cute little tie on the side, which is just the cutest detail ever. And then the bottom of the skirt just ruffles. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. So let's go try this on and see if our butt shows through the back, because that's number one. We don't want to show no crack to no one. So let's go try this on. All right, guys, so this is the skirt. I am telling you, I am dying for these colors. They are beautiful, like beautiful. I'm obsessed. And this skirt is not see-through. Thank the heavenly Lord, we do not want to see anything under our skirt, especially at school. You know that principal is going to come for you. So this skirt is definitely school appropriate. And I think this is so cute. And this should be long enough too, because at least with my school, it had to be down to your fingertips. And this is way longer than my fingertips, so I think we're all set. And this would look really cute with black knee-high boots. A definite necessity. Like, literally everyone needs this in their life. It is a white tank top and it's square neck, so it just lays square across the front. And I mean, like, you can wear this with anything, like under anything, if something's sheer. Like, this is crucial. Please go out and get one. Like, I'm telling you, go out right now. And this was only $3, so steal. The very last two things I got to go together because I think it would be a really cute outfit, especially for the first day when you want to like show up and look hot. So I got this dress. Like, look at this color. This color is stunning, especially for the fall time. Like, I love it. I just love it. And this material is everything. Like, literally, it is so soft. Like, the velour is back, bitches. It's back. And it's super cute. The top is square neck and it's kind of like ribbed material, and it's just a tight bodycon dress. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay girl, school is not gonna let me wear this. It's spaghetti strap. That's okay. Okay, that's what jean jackets were made for. I'm obsessed with jean jackets. Just plop them on anything and you're all set to go. And with that, Got this green bandana from Target. I just thought this would be super cute, like to tie around your hair and like make into a headband with a bow with this dress, just because like I feel like green and like this mustardy color go really well together, and they're both fall colors, and you know, queen. You're gonna look like a queen. That's it. But I'm excited, so let's go try this on and see how this last outfit looks. All right, guys, this is the next outfit. What do we think? Honestly, it is so thick. The material is very nice for Target. Like, it is super nice. I really like the square neckline. I've been getting square necklines on literally everything lately. I just think they look so much more flattering. Let's see. How does the booty look? Guys, I have no booty. I'm telling you, there is no booty. We could try. And this is my Hot Pocket breakfast. Yup. Guilty. And then here is the hair tie. How does it look? I think they look really cute, and honestly, like if I'm having a bad hair day or my hair is greasy or something, like I feel like I always resort to these. They just like make everything better. They disguise the greasy, gross hair, but I really like it. But honestly, I so think the dress is worth it, and you need to go out to Target and get this dress now because it looks good. It looks super good. Woo! Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed my mini Target haul. I had so much fun going in and picking these things up. With that being said, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It would definitely help me out a ton, and subscribe down below for more hauls. I actually have 2 more shipments coming in, so stay tuned for that because I'm a definite shopaholic. Like, I shop all night from all hours, 2 to 5 a.m. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram, definitely do. I will put it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body.